I kept switching back and forth between Google AI Studio and Gemini for 3 days. And at one point, I honestly thought they were basically the same thing. They're both made by Google. They both use Gemini models. They can both answer questions, write content, and help with coding. So why does Google even have two different products? Turns out, after using both, the answer is a lot simpler than I expected. The mistake most people make is comparing the features instead of comparing the experience. The models are often similar, but the way you interact with them is completely different. Gemini feels like a finished AI assistant. You open it, ask a question, upload a file, brainstorm ideas, summarize documents, and move on with your day. It feels polished, because that's exactly what it's designed to be. Google AI Studio, though, gave me a different feeling almost immediately. Instead of asking, "What do you want to ask the AI?" it feels more like it's asking, "What do you want to build with it?" You're not just chatting anymore. You're testing prompts, experimenting with different model settings, comparing outputs, tweaking parameters, and figuring out how the model behaves before you use it in a real project. If you've ever wanted to prototype an AI workflow or experiment before integrating it into an app, AI Studio makes a lot more sense. Here's where I think people choose the wrong one. If your job is writing emails, creating marketing content, brainstorming YouTube ideas, researching topics, or getting everyday work done faster, Gemini is probably all you need. It's simple, clean, and doesn't ask you to think about technical settings you may never use. But if you're a developer, building AI products, testing prompts for clients, or you just like understanding what's happening behind the scenes, Google AI Studio gives you much more control. It feels less like a consumer app and more like a workspace for experimenting. So, which one would I keep? Honestly, I'd keep both, but for completely different reasons. Gemini is the one I'd open every morning to get work done. Google AI Studio is the one I'd open when I'm trying to build, test, or improve something before anyone else sees it. That's why I don't think this is really a competition. It's more about picking the right tool for the job you're doing today. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you mostly using AI to get work done, or are you trying to build something with AI? That answer alone will probably tell you which one you should be using.